Hello guys, welcome once again to this video channel on successful business tips. I'm here once again to introduce to you a way of making money online. Another way of making money online this time around is by listening to music. So how do you make money from listening to music? This is not Spotify, and this is not other music company that you have to bring a lot of followers. You don't have to get 1,000 or 2,000 followers or make people to stream your video music. This one is for you to listen to music and you earn money. Yes, you earn money. And how do you earn this money? By listening to music. Can listen to music like 2 or 3 hours a day, even through by charging your mobile, by charging your phone on this app. It's an app that you have to charge, and you get to win some token. This token is what you convert either to PayPal or all these gift card, be it Amazon gift card or any other cards that Amazon cards and what is it called, Google cards, and so on like that. So let us continue. So to begin with this website, you have to click on, you have to start with either with your iPad or Android phone or iOS phone, iPhone. So you have to download their app, because if you don't download their app to listen to their music, and one major thing is that they have a lot of beautiful music there. They have reggae, they have oldies, they have blues, R&B, name it, country music. So all your interest in music is here, and you can earn up to $600 without even listening to music on this site. Yes, you can earn up to that on this platform. So all you have to do is to download this music, is to download this app and search and play almost like 100,000 plus radio stations on this app. See, you can just change your station as you want, be it in any countries. Earn points by playing your favorite music. Yes, you can earn points and spend your points on favorite brands. Depends on what you want to use. To start earning, just download, as I said before, just download either the Apple App Store. Go to the Apple App Store if you are using iPhone, or you go to Google Play Store if you are using an Android phone to download this app, and you just register and do the KYC, your face registration and everything. There you get started with this. This is a very good opportunity for those who don't have a way, or who are looking for a little passive income to begin to use for other things, or just for minor spending on the line or for yourself. This is a way of getting into this program and making little money. Yes, and this little money, you can make it to put it into an investment and start it. So this site I'm talking about is called Current. Yes, Current. So when you click on this link, for you to register, you have to join through a referral link, and in this video at the description below you will find my referral link there. You just click and you will be taken there. So you can use your iPad to download, or if your iPad, your Apple phones, or your Google Android phones, or your Android phones rather, so you can start to listen to music and enjoy whatever you are doing. Maybe you can just play the music and put it one side and be enjoying it. Even you can do other things while listening to this music, maybe when you are jogging and every other thing. So get started, and the most good part of it is that when you refer anybody to this program, you earn $25, and that $25 is like 3,500 points that you get for referring any other person. Imagine you're referring like 100 people to this program, you get 25 times 100, which equals to like let's calculate it. Let's say you refer let's say you refer 100 people, multiplying by 25, and $2,500. That is a lot of money. You can use it to do other business or make payment for any other debt you are into. So I will advise you to join this program through my link in the descriptions below and get started with your earning. Hope to see you in my next video. Thank you very much. And please, before I forget, please subscribe to this channel. Click on the subscribe button, click on the subscribe button and the notification button, so that whenever we have a video like this or other videos similar to this, you can be notified by YouTube. Thank you very much.